Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a font in Canva. So let's get started. Before we begin, one thing that you need to know is that in order to upload a new font, you must be the admin of your team. So if you are a team member, you wouldn't be able to upload a font. So you're gonna head over to the home tab and then click on brand over here from the left side bar, and then you'll be able to see numerous options within your brand kit. You're gonna click on fonts over here. Right now you can see I'm not an admin, so it says ask your admin to define your default fonts for a clear and consistent look. If you are an admin, you'll be able to see an upload button over here. So you can simply click on that upload button and navigate to the folder containing that font, or you can simply drag and drop that over here, and then that font will be uploaded and you can continue using that font in your designs. So that was basically how you can upload a font in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.